I am Sheetal Bansal. In this video, I'll discuss with you all the preparation strategy of the refrigeration and air conditioning subject. If we talk about refrigeration and air conditioning, in GATE, the weightage of this subject is around 2 marks, right? But this is a very easy going subject, and you will score this 2 marks very easily. And this is also a very small subject, very less syllabus is there. And this is the application part of the thermodynamics. If your concept of thermodynamics is good, that how to use the equations with all the assumptions, then you will easily score the refrigeration and air conditioning subject. Now, if we talk about the syllabus which I covered in this refrigeration and air conditioning, first of all, I'll start with the introduction part. What do we mean by refrigeration and what do we mean by air conditioning, right? And some various terminologies which we used in the refrigeration and air conditioning, just like your what is the refrigeration effect, what is the refrigeration capacity, what is 1 ton of refrigeration, right? And some of the important concept regarding heat pump, refrigerator and heat engine we will discuss in the introduction part. After that we will go with the gas refrigeration system. After this I'll cover this gas refrigeration system which will be working on the reversed Brayton cycle, right? And in the gas refrigeration system we will see what is the reversed Brayton cycle, right? What are the various process in the gas refrigeration system and what is the COP of the gas refrigeration system. After that, this gas refrigeration system, we will switch to the next chapter, that is vapor compression refrigeration system. This is the important chapter, vapor compression refrigeration system, right, which is working on the reversed Rankine cycle, in which we will discuss what is the COP of a Rankine, COP of this VCRS, how you can increase the COP of the VCRS, what are the various factors involved in it, what is the superheat in the evaporator and superheat with the help of some intercooler or some heat exchanger. We will cover each and every topic in this vapor compression refrigeration system. This is, if I talk, this chapter is the important chapter for your GATE point of view, this vapor compression refrigeration system. After this we will go with the nomenclature of refrigerants, right? In this we will see how to name the refrigerant, right? Whether it is a saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon or inorganic refrigerants, how you can name it and what are the various formulas which are used in this nomenclature of the refrigerant. After this we will go with the properties of refrigerant, right? Various properties like your latent heat of vaporization, critical temperature, condenser pressure, evaporator pressure, all this we will discuss in the properties of refrigerant, right? This nomenclature, from this nomenclature maybe they may ask a 1 marks question, but very less chance that from these two topics the question will come in the GATE paper, right? In the GATE is more about your numerical, so in the RAC also they will ask the numericals only. After this we will go with the air conditioning. Air conditioning. In the air conditioning, first we will discuss psychrometry. Right? What are the various psychrometric process? What do we mean by dry bulb temperature, dew point temperature, wet bulb temperature? Some of the students have the confusion with the wet bulb temperature, how you can visualize it. We will explain in the psychrometry, right? What are the various process like sensible heating or heating and humidification or cooling and humidification. All this we will discuss in the psychrometry. What will be the properties of the moist air? What will be the enthalpy of the moist air? All these topics we will cover in the psychrometry. After that we will discuss your summer air conditioning and winter air conditioning, right? This will be the last topic of your RAC. Summer air conditioning and winter air conditioning. So very small subject, only very small syllabus is there, and if you go through this, the preparation strategy for the RAC will be, first I suggest that first you will cover the thermodynamics. If the thermodynamics will be good, then you will be easily understand what is the refrigeration and air conditioning, all the concept of refrigeration and air conditioning. If we talk about the books, then I will suggest C.P. Arora will be a good book, will be a good textbook to go for RAC, right? If we talk about the GATE perspective, if you are preparing for the GATE only, then I personally feel that there is no need to go for the foreign writer books, right? Only some standard textbooks which are available of the Indian author. You can, if you do only one book, that one book is sufficient for the RAC. C.P. Arora is sufficient. In the RAC videos, I'll cover some good questions, conventional questions also, some questions which they ask in the previous GATE year questions, right? So I'll suggest that if you start preparing for the RAC, then previous year questions which will be available on our website, previous year questions, you will do this previous year questions side by side with your subject, right? Suppose if you are doing this vapor compression refrigeration system, after completing this VCRS, go for the your previous year question which is available with you. Some books are also available for the previous year question, and also on our website these are available. With the detailed solution you will get the previous year question. So after solving this previous year question, you can go for the C.P. Arora numericals. Then if you able to solve the C.P. Arora numericals, that is more than sufficient, right? No, any other thing will not be required to cover this RAC. Some of the practice questions we will provide, some of the good practice questions for the RAC, both objective and subjective type we will provide you. So if you solve only this material, then it will be sufficient to cover this topic of RAC, right? No need to go for any foreign writer book or something like that. RAC is a very scoring subject. Don't skip this subject. Very scoring and very easy to understand if your concept of thermodynamics are good, right? So this will be the preparation strategy for the refrigeration and air conditioning.